First up, we have the Merkur 34C. This is a classic safety razor that has been around for decades. It has a short handle, which makes it easy to control, and the closed comb design that's great for beginners. The Merkur 34C is also made of high quality materials, so it's going to last a long time. Next, we have the Leaf Twig. This is another popular razor that's great for beginners. It is a single edge design that differs from the double edge design of the Merkur 34C, which some people find more comfortable to use. The Leaf Shave razor is also a non-threatening look to it compared to your traditional safety razors. Great detailer. Third on our list, we have the Henson AL13. This safety razor is made out of aluminum with precision from the engineers that actually make satellite parts for space. They guarantee a smooth shave. Its lightweight, zero margin for error makes this a great choice for beginners. If you don't get the correct angle with this safety razor, it does not cut. Just a great razor. If you're making the switch, this is the one you want. I mean, the Leaf Twig is good as well, but this mild one, if you don't get the angle, it doesn't cut. That is freaking huge. Fourth on our list, we have the Rockwell 6C, which is a unique safety razor that allows you to adjust the blade gap to your liking. This means you can customize the aggressiveness of the razor to your skin type and facial hair. This is the Rockwell 6S. This one's made out of stainless steel, but it's the same razor as a Rockwell 6C. It also has a sleek design that comes in a variety of colors and is also made out of stainless steel. It's good. Last but not least, we have the Rockwell T2 stainless steel. Now it does have a larger head than the Rockwell 6C. You can see there's no blade overhang here, but you can still detail around your mouth efficiently. This is a high-end safety razor that's great for people who want the best of the best. It has a butterfly design, which is fully adjustable. That's great for beginners. Now, all of those are really, really good razors.